So today I get to the switches and buttons. So let's get started with this switch and that button. So we're gonna start another button. So got button. I got button. Got this switch and there's 3 buttons. It's right there. So we got this 4 button. So and I got this 5 button. And it's got this 5 buttons here. And the switch. Now it goes to home. And then this is fan. It's fan. Oh, get this button goes to spinning. And it's slowing down on the left one. So here, 4. This switch right there. 3. That switch. That button. So that's pretty cool. That's cool. So we get this switch. This switch is this light. This light right here. Over here got the 5 button. Now and there's a switch. There's some. Got 3 switches in the same. Fire. Water. Leaves. Door. The computer. There's a light bulbs. I can't get it. I can't work it. So I got this fidget spinner. The super final light. And then we got this switch. This switch is the got this switch. This is fan. Suppose that telephone buttons. So final here at this. Plug in. Yeah. 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 Charger. Equalizer. So yeah, that's all the switch buttons.